Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Facebook Messenger on iPhone. First thing first, you want to click on the Messenger, and this time around I want you to hold your finger on the actual icon. You want to hold on it and you will have the option to remove the app. Clicking on remove app doesn't mean that you're going to automatically remove the messenger and delete the messenger. This will simply give you two options, in which option number one will be to delete the app, which essentially means that you're going to uninstall the app and the app will no longer be on the device. Or option number two, which is remove from the whole screen, which essentially means that the shortcut for Messenger will no longer appear, but the app still will be installed and still will be on the back end of the actual software. So you want to make sure that you know exactly what you want to achieve. Do you want just to hide the shortcut icon from the actual start menu, or you want to uninstall the app itself? This is very, very important. There's a major difference in between. So you want to make sure that you click on the option that actually suits you, because there is a vast difference. If you delete by mistake, you have to go back to the iOS App Store and you have to download again, and then you have to input your login and password. So if you really want to delete it, you want to make sure you have saved up your password and login information, because at some point you might simply want to go back and log in or download the app. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your messenger. First of all, let's launch the app. First thing that you want to look is on the top left corner. You see the three stripes. You want to click on them. Then you're going to launch the profile picture and you want to click on the right side where is the gear icon. When you click on the gear icon, you will be brought to your original page settings. Here you want to scroll all the way down and you click on account centers. When you click on account center, the most important part is the second part of the menu, which is essentially personal details. You want to click on personal details, and then you will be brought to the completely new menu where is the personal details, account ownership and control. You want to click on account ownership and control, and the following menu will lead you to the decision making process: deactivation or deletion. This is where you can actually choose to deactivate or delete your account, and you can simply choose what is going to be the future of your messenger. Let's click on deactivation or deletion and let's see what are the remaining options and how you can actually proceed. Because remember, it is very important for you to make the right decision. There is a vast difference between deleting or deactivating your account. Remember, all the conversations that you currently have on your messenger, all the files that you shared or were shared with you, will be lost if you delete your account. If you just deactivate your account, you can select a time frame, 3, 5, 6 weeks, 5 months, whatever. Then you can actually go back and start using the messenger again. Now, when you click on deactivation and deletion or deletion, you will see all the accounts associated with this particular login. This means that you might see a Facebook accounts, we might see an Instagram pages. All the accounts that you associated and linked with this particular messenger login will appear here, and then you can make your decision. Should I simply deactivate or delete all of them, or should I deactivate or delete one of them? Again, make sure that you're aware where you're clicking and what's going to be the end result. I want to make sure that you keep all the data, all the information prior you make your final decision. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Messenger. Facebook has been doing a lot of updates and changes, and things are getting more and more complicated. It is harder and harder to find the actual menu. So let's dive in. First of all, let's launch the Messenger app. Now you want to go on the top left corner where you have the three stripes. You click on them. Then when you have your account page pull on the side, you want to click on the gear icon. When you click on the gear icon, you will go into your settings. You want to scroll all the way down. When you're all the way down on the account center meta, you want to click on see more account center. When you're here, you want to click on password and security. It's almost at the end of the menu. When you click on password and security, you have the option to see security checks. This will help you to review the security issues and where you actually log in, which devices you log in, which emails, and how you can actually log out from some of those devices or pages or websites. So you click on where you're currently logged in. Here you will find all the accounts that you currently log in. You will see which account is associated with what device. For example, you have a tablet, you have a laptop, and you have another phone that are all currently logged in into your account. Very important, this function will also show you all the linked accounts. For example, if you're running a couple of different Instagram pages, and if you link these pages with Facebook, and I bet you already did, well, you will have the option to actually remove the devices that are currently logged in, either on the Facebook account, on Messenger account, or on Instagram account. This is very helpful because you will be able to change your settings once for all of the accounts at the same time. You don't have to go individually on Instagram settings or Facebook settings, or here in this particular case with Messenger settings. But as you saw, it is getting harder and harder, and they try to essentially hide this particular function. I'm not gonna be surprised if future you might not be able to delete your account, and you have to send an email with the inquiry for you to get your account deleted. It will not be an option for you manually to click delete my account or deactivate my account. This is my expectation and my own personal opinion. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode on Facebook Messenger. First thing first, let's launch the Messenger app. When you're on Messenger, you want to click on the top left corner where you see the 3 straight lines. You click on the 3 straight lines, and then the new menu that pops out, you want to click on the gear icon over here. You click on the gear icon, and the first available option in the settings is actually dark mode. You click on dark mode, and this is where the magic happens. You have on, off, and you have the system. System essentially means that what is the default mode on your own phone. If you have on your default settings on your device, for example, Android or iPhone, you have a dark mode on your phone, this is what it means. In my particular case, this is a dark mode, this is the system mode, this is the default. This is what I have on my phone, and the app will simply match my settings on the phone. Otherwise, you can simply do it off. Now you can see manually adjusting the difference between the actual default mode on the phone and the mode on the actual app. We can go back to on again, and this is how easy it is, guys. For more amazing secret tips, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unsend messages on Messenger. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Messenger app. And for this example, I choose to send a message to Meta AI. Meta AI is the newest chatbot system that actually supports and provides help services for people that essentially experiencing issues on the platform. So this is how you're gonna go about it. I'm gonna say hi Meta, right? And I can press and hold on my personal message, so I can actually unsend the message. And there is a two different options. Option number one is unsend the message for everyone, meaning that the person that you send the message to will not receive the message, and you're not gonna have the message on your message box either. The second option is only unsend for you, meaning that the person will receive the message, will read the message, could reply to the message, but on your side will simply be an empty box. We'll have a small line which it says message unsent. Let me show you. So as you can see over here, this message will be unsent for you. Other chat members will still be able to see it. This is why they will be able to reply to you. You see, they're still replying to us, but we actually unsent the message. So it looks like they're communicating between each other. They're not talking to us. because we simply delete the middle connection of the message. This is how you can go about it. Please guys, pay very close attention what you're actually trying to achieve. There is a huge difference between unsent message from your site and unsent message for everyone. Because if you send a message and they receive the message and you see that they saw the message, you cannot unsend the message for everyone. The only thing you could do in this case is just to unsend the message for you. Which I don't know, might work in some cases for you, just to not have it on your site, on your own history. But this is how you're gonna go about it. This is why you have to act fast when you send a message by mistake. For example, text to someone that you shouldn't. Mistakes happen. Sometimes the messenger is so slow, and you click on one profile, but it opens another. So this is why you're gonna be very fast. If you're slow, then you have to unsend for your site and then message to the other person, explaining that this is a mistake. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption on the Messenger app. This is very important video, guys. You want to make sure that you follow very closely so you don't make any mistake. Let's launch the Messenger app right now. The first thing that you want to do, guys, is you want to click on the top left corner where you see the 3 straight lines. When you're at your settings, I want you to click on the gear icon. When you're at the settings of your messenger, I want you to click on privacy and safety. Okay, follow up very closely. Now, if you scroll down to the section that is called security, the second option will be end-to-end encrypted chats. Over here, all you gotta do is to click on the option that is called security alerts. When you're over here, all you gotta do is to click this off. This is contacts keys change. Okay, this simply shows alert in chat when contact keys are changed. So essentially this will disable and will turn off end-to-end encryption in the Messenger app. This is very, very careful, guys. I hope you follow step by step. Very important video. I cannot advise you to turn this off. You might have reasons for it. I always keep my own. This is very, very important. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the spam messages on Messenger. Let's launch the Messenger app first. First thing you want to go is to the top left corner where you see the 3 stripes. You click on them, right? Then all you want to do is to click on third option. It says message requests. You click on message requests and you have the 2 subsections. First of all, it's the messages that you receive from someone that is not in your friend list, but it's assumed by Facebook or Messenger that this is someone that you may actually know. The second option that you click on the site is that you have a spam. So this is determined by the algorithm of Facebook, of Meta, that these people are not interacting directly with you. The most cases and suspicion is that these are simply bots, are automated text sending systems. So if you simply look around, it is very less likely to actually know all the people who message you, or to know at least some of these people. So what you can do about it, right? So there is an option, it's called decide who can actually message you. When you click on this one, you can filter and limit people who are sending you messages. So this will simply give you less work to clean the spam folder in general. If you look, you can simply decide who to send you a message request, who can simply, be part of your chats list, your message request folder, or whatever you receive from them, right? You might be part of certain group with other people that you don't know, but if you set the function that these people are not going to be able to message you at all. If you look at the sub-segments over here, potential connections, friends of friends on Facebook, this means that if you already have friends from somebody who is part of your friend list, right, Facebook will let them message you. And this will come to a subsection, if you remember, people you may know. But if somebody messages you out of the blue that is not part of your friend list, or is not friend of people from your friends list, right, this will simply go straight to the spam folder. You want to make sure that you're checking these different subsections because everything is possible. Sometimes you might just meet someone new that you didn't exchange contacts with, right? But the person found you online, he messaged you, and this is probably his message will end up being in the spam folder. So check your settings, check how Facebook and Messenger will deliver the messages, okay? Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share a TikTok video on Messenger app. Very easy, guys. Let's launch the TikTok app and find the video that we want to share. Let's say you saw this video, you find it interesting and you want to send it to some of your friends on Messenger. You want to click on the arrow under the comment section, and then you want to click on the section over here which is with the icon of Messenger. Very easy, guys, very simple. They will get a link from the actual TikTok and they will be able to watch the video even if they don't have a TikTok account. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.